I have really cool merch now, link in the description. All right, show you how to turn stability control off in your Mustang. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. Cool. And now right here, it says traction control, or it says, well, it's got the little icon there. It says traction control off. So if I press that once, just real quick, it turns off traction control. Now I've got another video that goes over the difference between traction and stability control. Definitely check that out. And now I'm gonna turn it back on. Now I'm gonna press and hold it. Now you don't have to do all this. You can just, if you wanna turn it off, just get in here and hold it. But I'm gonna press and hold it. I'm holding, I'm holding, I'm holding. There it is, it says advanced track off. Now you are ready to get this thing sideways and not take out a crowd. So any questions about these things, man, let me know. Y'all let me know questions. I love to be helpful. I love to answer questions. Also, check out my merch. It's going to be in the description. It looks really cool. And love you guys. Hope y'all have a good day.